Okay, I'm gonna try to make some big burps up. Now that was a big one. A bigger one! And it is hard to move this chair. Was that one of the biggest burps in the world? I meant loudest. I was totally not expecting that one. But was that big enough? How about one of these? Yep, one of those. Those are some big burps. That was the worst burp I have ever had. Whew. And no, I do not have lice. Hey! Hey! Okay. I have my hands on the table. As you can see, it's on the table. Now I'm going to try hang on for the big burp. Well, it was a big one, and as you can see, it is holding on. See? There. See it? Right there. That was an unexpected one. Well, rate and subscribe, like I said in the last video. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, bye-bye. And yes, I am 10.